This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome students. Today in this video, we will be learning past perfect tense. In our journey to learn English as a language, we have covered all present tenses, which were present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and then we covered past indefinite, past continuous, and today we will be covering past perfect tense. Let's have a definition of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to refer to actions that took place and were completed in the past. There is one helping verb in past perfect tense, which is had. H as in Harry, A as in alpha, D as in delta. Had. In past perfect tense, we use third form of the verb. Let me give you a quick example. I had played. So here we use the third form of the verb. The first form is play, the second form is played, and the third form is played. And remember, with all pronouns we use had. There is only one helping verb in this past perfect tense. So whether you're using he, she, it, I, you, we, they, there's only one helping verb, had, will be used in this tense. In order to convert a positive tense sentence into a negative sentence, we will be placing not in between helping verb and the verb. So the example which we used earlier was I had played. So once we convert that into negative, it will be I had not played. In order to convert a positive sentence into interrogative, a sentence with a question mark in the end, we'll start our sentence with helping verb. So the positive sentence which we said I had played will be interrogative like this. Had I played? Question mark in the end. Let's have another example. She had studied. So here, studied is the third form of the verb. The first form is study, the second form is studied, and the third form is studied. Now we want to convert this sentence into negative, which will be she had not studied. And the interrogative will be had she studied? Question mark. Remember, when you are learning language, you need to practice as much as possible. So I will request all my students or all those viewers who are watching this video to please keep a pen and a notebook so you can practice alongside watching video. Let's take another example, and I would request you to please write it down. and then you need to convert this sentence into negative and then interrogative. Ready? Okay, so the sentence is, we had traveled. So I will repeat it for you. We had traveled. Full stop. So you need to convert this sentence into negative, and then you need to, so what you need to do, you need to convert this sentence into negative, and then the positive sentence will be converted into interrogative. So the sentence which I've given you, we had traveled, will become as negative sentence, we had not traveled. And interrogative form of this positive sentence will be, had we traveled, question mark. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember, you need to practice in order to gain more confidence. Alright, so let's have a little bit practice, so that's gonna make us more confident. Okay, the first example is, my dad had cut the grass. I'll give you another example. I hadn't washed the car. Now there's another question mark in this example which comes to my mind, because we need to go through the positive, interrogative, and then negative and then interrogative. So it will be, had she ridden her bike? Then we have another positive sentence which is, the train had left already. Now comes another sentence which is a negative one, which is, Sam hadn't phoned us. Now see, what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to help you to think in different ways at the same time, from positive to negative and interrogative. Sam hadn't phoned us, and after that I'll be I just want to think about interrogative sentence. So, had it snowed a lot? Question mark. We hadn't had lunch. It had drunk some water. He had read a ghost story. Had she made her bed? These are some examples which can help us, to understand the tense in a better way, and then, practice accordingly. I will see you in next episode, in next video, with the new tense Happy learning. Thank you for watching. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eSkillszone.com.